How to fix Aliexpress payment error. Now, if you are having payment error in Aliexpress, this might be because of so many reasons. First of all, you need to check if your information that you have entered about your cards and the payment methods is correct or not. In order to do that, just simply go to the product that you would like to buy, and after that you need to tap to buy now, and then you will be in the section where you can add address and pay. And once you do that, you will see a page where you can enter all of the payment details. From there, you need to check if the payment informations are correct. If they are not corrected, and it will be fixed. But if they are correct, but if it is still not working, then you need to remove if the payment methods are saved in there. And once you remove that, you need to re-add the payment method and it might work again. Now, if this even does not solve your issue, in that case you can contact your payment method provider, for example your bank or credit card, and then you can also contact the customer service of Aliexpress in order to fix your payment error, and then it will be fixed in a while. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.